What's up everyone, this is 𝒒𝒐𝒏𝒕 from InnoRative, and today I'm here with a new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove this plastic gear panel of Toyota Corolla. You can easily follow these steps to know how you can disassemble it. It's really easy, you need no skills whatsoever, but you have to follow my instructions. So let's move on to the video and without wasting any time and disassemble this part. So what I wanna do is I wanna disassemble this part here, and I wanna replace it. For example, I wanna replace it. So how you can remove it? So follow these steps. The tools you need is you only need this Phillips head screwdriver, nothing else. So first step is what you have to do is you have to remove these side panels from your car, and you just have to put your fingers behind it, just pull it towards yourself and just wiggle it, and there we go. So just there we go. In few seconds we have removed the side panels. So for this panel you have to open this thing up, remove the gear knob. First of all, you have to remove the gear knob. You have to spin it anti-clockwise like that. Sorry for the camera shake because I am holding my camera with my right hand and doing it with left hand. So there you go, there's your gear knob. And for removing this panel, you have to just put the fingers right beneath it and push it towards yourself. There we go. You have removed your gear panel here, and so unscrew these two screws. Make sure to keep them safe. So I'm gonna put these screws here, and now it's time for this one. There we go. Removed. And now what you have to do is you have to push this panel towards yourself. But before that, there are clips here, if you see them, plastic clips. So you have to, if you have nails, so these are the clips which are holding this panel. So there are actually 4 of these clips, one on this side, here, here, and here. So you have to and just wiggle it a bit. Don't push it too hard. There we go. So it's now just released, and push it towards yourself, and here we go. And that's how easy it was. So reassembling is also an easier part. Just do it like that. Make sure you fit it right there. Oops. Align it properly, and wiggle it a bit, and here we go. You heard the pop, and it's clipped perfectly. So don't forget the part where you have to put the screws on both sides of. Here we go. Now we have to put on this part right like this, and just push it down. That's it. Now you have to place this one. You heard the pop. That's how easy it was. And do the same for this one. Just put the clips and here we go. The last part is the gear knob. Just place it there and spin it clockwise. Make sure it's tight, and there we go. That's the right thing to do. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. It was that easy. We have disassembled and assembled the gear panel within 10 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please leave the comments below on the video, and please don't forget to subscribe.